Hello! Singing assembly time. This is the early years singing assembly number 10. We got to 10, guys. 5. Number 10. Very good. Wonderful. Thank you for singing with me all this time. As always, you can go back and see all the old singing assemblies. www.music@rushmore.blogspot.com. I have got very good and fast at saying that. Right, if we're going to sing, what do we need to do first? We need to warm up our bodies and warm up our voices. First of all, let's make silly faces. Can you make this face? Like with your tongue right out. Can you make this face? What about this face? Good. Let's brush our teeth. No. And have a big drink. And again. Get those teeth right at the back. Oh, electric toothbrush. Big drink. Very good. Have a big stretchy yawn. Let's make a big face with our tongue sticking right out like this. And a small squishy face. Really small. Big face. Small face. Big face. Small face. Let's do it fast. Big. You do it too. Very good. I think we're pretty warmed up. Let's say hello. Hello. Turn, if there's anyone else in the room, turn and say hello to them. Hello. Hello. Say hello. Hello. Say hello. Hello. Say hello. Hello. Say hello. Hello. But of course, we are so clever, we can say it in another language. We can say it in Spanish. How do you say hello in Spanish? Hola. Say hola. Hola. Say hola. Hola. Say hola. Hola. Say hola. Hola. If we're saying it in Spanish, let's go just around the corner to Portugal and say it in Portuguese. Bom dia. Bom dia. Say 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 bom dia. Bom dia. Very nice. Let's go all the way around the world. We've been to Spain, we've been to Portugal. Let's go to Japan. Do you know how they're saying hello in Japanese? I believe it's konnichiwa. Should we say that? Say konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Say konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Say konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Say konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Let's do one more. Let's say hello in Turkish. Merhaba. Wave to someone, say merhaba, merhaba. Everyone, sing up really straight, nice smiley voices. Say merhaba, merhaba, say merhaba, merhaba, say merhaba, merhaba, say merhaba, merhaba. Wonderful. Our voices are so warmed up, we are sounding great. Do you remember we learned a song last week about the oceans? It was called Deep Down Deep. It went like this. Deep down deep, under the waves, jelly welly wibble wobble fishes are floating. Deep down deep, they're all fast asleep. So let's say how do you, how do you, how do you, how do you, how do you do? Do you remember that one? Then we sung it again, but we had crabs and lobsters. And it goes, crabs and lobsters rattle their spiny claws. Look, that makes a sound. Should we sing Deep Down Deep together? Deep down deep, under the waves, crabs and lobsters rattle their spiny claws. Deep down deep, they're all fast asleep. So let's say how do you, how do you, how do you, how do you, how do you do? Good. What was next? We had jelly welly wibble wobble fishes. We had crabs and lobsters. We only sung it last week. It was stripy bright zebrafish. Remember that? Stripy bright zebrafish shimmer through the water. Should we make them go really sort of shimmery like this? Wiggly fish, wiggly fish. Deep down, deep. Sing with me. Under the waves, stripy bright zebrafish shimmer in the water. Deep down, deep. They're all fast asleep. So let's say how do you, how do you, how do you, how do you, how do you do? Very good. Right, I've got a new song for you. Do you know what? It is such beautiful weather today. Well, I don't know what the weather is for you right now when you're watching this, but when I made this video, oh my goodness, it is hot, it is sunny, makes me want to go on a picnic. A nice, socially distanced picnic. That is what we are going to go on, guys. What do we need on our picnic? Do you know what? I'm going to have a drink. I'm going to have some orange juice. Can you hold your orange juice out? It's got a straw, this orange juice. Pop the straw in and have a drink. You do that. There's a song about picnics. It goes like this. It's a copying song. So I'm going to sing it and then you sing it back. I'll sing it as well. But it's a copying song. Does that make sense? It goes like this. We're going on a picnic. You sing that. We're going on a picnic. Leaving right away. Leaving right away. And if it doesn't rain. And if it doesn't rain. We'll stay all day. We'll stay all day. Does that make sense? We're copying. I sing it, you sing it back. But there's only me, so you just have to kind of copy what I sing. 1, 2, me first then you. We're going on a picnic. Leaving right away. And if it doesn't rain, we'll stay all day. Very good. Now, have we got the orange juice? And when I say have we got the orange juice, you have to say, yes, we've got the orange juice. So I'll say, have you got the orange juice? You'll say, yes, we've got the orange juice. You've got to hold it out. Very good. Have you got the orange juice? Yes, we've got the orange juice. Good, good, good. Sing that. Good, good, good. Very good. Now the next thing in our picnic, do you know what? I want some apples. Take an apple. Nice big one. Have a bite. That's what we're going to have next. So when I say, have we got the apples? I want you to say, yes, we've got the apples. You ready? Me, then you. Copy me. We're going on a picnic. Leaving right away. And if it doesn't rain, we'll stay all day. And have we got the apples? Yes, we've got the apples. Have we got the orange juice? Yes, we've got the orange juice. Good, good, good. You say that. Good, good, good. Very nice. We need something else for our picnic. Do you know what? I think I need some sandwiches on my picnic. Here's my sandwich. Hold a sandwich. Have a little chew. You chew. Good. Well done. If I say, have we got the sandwiches? You're going to say, yes, we've got the sandwiches. Let's try that. Me, then you. Have we got the sandwiches? Yes, we've got the sandwiches. Did you say it? Good. Should we put that in our song? I'll sing first. You copy. We're going on a picnic. Leaving right away. And if it doesn't rain, we'll stay all day. Now have we got the sandwiches? Yes, we've got the sandwiches. Have we got the apples? Yes, we've got the apples. Have we got some orange juice? Yes, we've got some orange juice. Good, good, good. Haha, very good. It feels funny to me making this video, just leaving the gaps. But I think you might be singing the gaps, and that's what I want you to do. So well done. What else do we need on our picnic? Do you know what? When I was at home this morning, I made a cake. I made some chocolate cake. Oh, my chocolate cake was gorgeous. I'm going to chop it like this. There's my chocolate cake. So when I say, have we got some chocolate cake? You're going to say, yes, we've got some chocolate cake. Here's the cake. Here you are, cutting a slice of it. Are you ready? Have we got the chocolate cake? Yes, we've got the chocolate cake. Haha. Very good, well done. Me then you, we're going on a picnic. Leaving right away. And if it doesn't rain, we'll stay all day. Now have you got the chocolate cake? Yes, I've got the chocolate cake. Have we got some sandwiches? Yes, I've got some sandwiches. Have we got some apples? Yes, we've got some apples. Have we got the orange juice? Yes, we've got the orange juice. Good, good, good. And let's eat them all. Can you have your orange juice? Can you have your apples? You bite them. Can we have the sandwiches? Oh, I'm so hungry. And can you have the chocolate cake? Cut the slice. Oh, it's a big slice. Ready? Very nice. What a lovely picnic. Thank you. Let's sing a song we know already. Remember Three Little Birds? Let's sing that. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, rise up this morning. Smile with the rising sun. Three little birds pitched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds pitched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Saying, this is my message to you. One last time. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. It's a good song for sunny weather. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Good. Lovely singing. Right, I've got another song. Some of you might know this one, but I haven't sung it on these assemblies yet. Some people call this song Whim Away. Some people call this song In the Jungle. And it goes like this. It goes, in the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. And then we go a whim away, 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 a whim away. Nice. Did you get that? Should we try again? In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Let me sing again. In the the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. You ready with your Wimmoways? A Wimmowa, 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 a Wimmowa. There's one more bit. It goes up, whoop, so high. Get your finger. Can you go whoop like that? We're getting our high voices ready. Whoop. You try it. Whoop. Just throw your voice up. Whoop. Very good. We're gonna go wee, mum away like that again. Wee, mum away. One more time. Go on. Wee, mum away. From the beginning. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Wimmoways! A Wimmowa, 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 wee, mum away, a wee, mum away. We said in the jungle, the mighty jungle. Now we're going to sing in the village, the peaceful village. So we're going to sing it really quietly. Are you ready with your quiet voice? In the village, the peaceful village, the lion sleeps tonight. In the village, the peaceful village, the lion sleeps tonight. Quiet Wimmoways. A Wimmowa, 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 a Wimmowa. Get louder. A Wimmowa, a Wimmowa, a Wimmowa, a Wimmowa. Ah wee, mum away. Ah wee, mum away. Oh, that was a high voice. Very good. Lovely singing. Fantastic stuff. Wonderful people. It's pretty much time to finish. We've done 4 songs, 4 brilliant songs we did. We're going on a picnic. Do you remember that? We're going on a picnic. We're going on a picnic. We'd sung 3 Little Birds. Don't worry about a thing. That's a lovely song. We did Deep Down Deep Under the Waves. Jelly welly wibble wobble, fishes are floating. And we did In the Jungle, the mighty jungle, with all the Wimmoways, and now wee bit, or a wee, with a super high voice. I think that's enough for one video. I think that's enough for 1 week. Should we sing our goodbye song? It's time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. We've had a lovely time. It's time to say goodbye. We wave a little wave. We wave a little wave. We've had a lovely time. We wave a little wave. Say goodbye. Goodbye. Say goodbye. Goodbye. Say goodbye. Goodbye, say goodbye, goodbye. Great singing. Singing is good. You're all really, really, really good. Not just at singing, you're just, well you are, but not just at singing. You're just good. You're good people. Well done. I'll sing with you next week.